So I'm Doug Lindeman with Bostik, and today we're going to show you Ultra-Set Single-Step2. This is one of our hardwood flooring adhesives. It's got a crumb rubber in it that gives us control spacing and sound control for hardwood flooring applications.
That's incredible.
So you can see the crumb rubber in the product. So what that's doing for us, like I said, is it's giving us a sound control and it's giving us a spacer thickness. So in most cases, when you're installing your flooring, if you don't have that thickness control, there's no guarantee that we know we have a full membrane underneath to block moisture and that full membrane for sound. I'm going to use this saran wrap here to kind of show you so you can see what's going on under the floor when we put it in. So with the standard adhesive, if we put our flooring in and we put a lot of weight on it or put it more in one area than the other, we can squeeze that adhesive out. But as you can see with the Ultra-Set Single-Step2, that crumb rubber technology is guaranteeing that when I put the wood flooring in, no matter how much pressure I put down on it, we're always going to get that full membrane coverage underneath it. You can kind of see with the clear acrylic block what's going on underneath there. You can see full coverage, no matter if I put it in the corners, put pressure in certain areas, I'm not going to squeeze that adhesive out. Comes into play, like I said, guarantees we've got full membrane under our wood flooring for our moisture vapor control, sound control membrane, also for installation. A lot of installers like to work on the finished floor as they're doing the installation. The crumb rubber technology lets us be on the floor, pulling the tongue and groove back towards us when we're installing versus having to be pushed away from it. It's a little ergonomically easier for an installer to pull it towards them than push it away. Also helps on a job site, rather than having to wait to walk on the floor till the next day, we can get right on it right away. We won't squeeze the adhesive out. We can install our baseboards, our quarter round. We can even start to move some of the lighter furniture back in the same day, rather than having to wait a day before we come back to do all of those extra things as part of the job. So another one of the great benefits about Ultra-Set Single-Step2 is it's really easy to clean off if you should get some on your finished wood surface. This is a dry rag. You can just a couple of wipes, get everything cleaned right off. So again, Ultra-Set Single-Step2 gives us unlimited moisture vapor control, gives us the same sound control, sound rating as 1/4 inch cork or rubber, as well as adhesive, all in one single product.